Question 8. As of March 2023, how many high courts are there in India? A. 25, B. 35, C. 30, D. 20. Answer A. 25. Question 2. Harela is a festival primarily celebrated in which of the following states? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Haryana, C. Assam, D. Uttarakhand. Answer D. Uttarakhand. Question 10. Which species is known as black-lipped pearl oyster? A. Aplysia dactylomela, B. Dentalium neohexagonum, C. Chaetoplura apiculata, D. Pincatada margaritifera. Answer D. Pincatada margaritifera. Question 4. The CSO adopted the concept of gross value added in A. जनवरी 2012, B. जनवरी 2015, C. जनवरी 2017, D. जनवरी 2013. Answer B. जनवरी 2015. Question 5. Who was the author of Stree Purush Tulna? A. Tarabai Shinde, B. Swarnakumari Devi, C. Pandita Ramabai, D. Usha Mehta. Answer A. Tarabai Shinde. Question 6. How many medals did India win in ISSF World Cup 2022 held in Cairo, Egypt? A. 9, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. Answer C. 7. Question 7. Ustad Vilayat Ali Khan is a maestro in A. Tabla, B. Mridangam, C. Sitar, D. Flute. Answer C. Sitar. Question 8. Which physical feature prevents the cold winds from Central Asia from entering the Indian subcontinent? A. Indian plains, B. Indian desert, C. Coastal area, D. Himalayas. Answer D. Himalayas. Question 9. Which state initiated the midday meal scheme in elementary schools? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Karnataka. Answer A. Tamil Nadu. Question 10. In which place was Islam born in the 7th century AD? A. Malaysia, B. South Africa, C. Arabia, D. Indonesia. Answer C. Arabia. Question 11. Who authored the book The Indian Struggle? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Motilal Nehru, C. Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question 12. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions village panchayats? A. Article 31, B. Article 38, C. Article 36, D. Article 40. Answer D. Article 40. Question 13. In 1999, which award was given to P.T. Ravi Shankar by the Government of India? A. Padma Shri, B. Padma Bhushan, C. Bharat Ratna, D. Padma Vibhushan. Answer C. Bharat Ratna. Question 14. Au is the chemical symbol of which element? A. Gold, B. Aluminium, C. Silver, D. Argon. Answer A. Gold. Question 15. Which of the following is a cold-blooded animal? A. Chameleon. B. Pavo. C. Macropus. D. Psittacula. Answer A. Chameleon. Question 16. Which article grants power to the President to appoint Supreme Court judges? A. Article 124(2). B. Article 123(1). C. Article 127(3). D. Article 128(4). Answer A. Article 124(2). Question 17. In which year was the International Olympic Committee formed? A. 1896. B. 1892. C. 1898. D. 1894. Answer D. 1894. Question 18. To which group do alkaline earth metals like radium, barium and strontium belong? A. Group 5. B. Group 2. C. Group 1. D. Group 3. Answer B. Group 2. Question 19. In which game is the player called the wicket keeper? A. Football. B. Basketball. C. Cricket. D. Hockey. Answer C. Cricket. Question 20. Which river is a transboundary river between India and Pakistan? A. Indus. B. Ravi. C. Dees. D. Jhelum. Answer A. Indus. Question 21. According to APIDA 2020-2021, which Indian state ranks first in grape production? A. Maharashtra. B. Karnataka. C. Bihar. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer A. Maharashtra. Question 22. Gautamiputra Shatkarni was part of which dynasty? A. Shunga. B. Pandya. C. Satvahan. D. Shaka. Answer C. Satvahan. Question 23. Which water body has the highest salinity? A. Great Salt Lake. B. Lake Van. C. Red Sea. D. Dead Sea. Answer D. Dead Sea. Question 24. Fundamental duties are mentioned under which article of the Constitution? A. 32A. B. 45A. C. 62B. D. 51A. Answer D. 51A. Question 25. Mohiniyattam dance is associated with which style? A. Sampadam. B. Tribhanga. C. Chop. D. Lasya style. Answer D. Lasya style. Question 26. Rudrasena II of which of the following dynasties married Prabhavati Gupta, the daughter of Chandragupta II of the Gupta dynasty? A. Pushyabhuti. B. Vaktka. C. Chalukya. D. Pallav. Answer B. Vaktka. Question 27. Madhuri Barthwal, a folk singer and Padma Shri 2022 awardee, belongs to which of the following states of India? A. Uttarakhand. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Maharashtra. Answer A. Uttarakhand. Question 28. Which of the following options is the legislative organ of the Union Government? A. Judiciary. B. Legislative Assembly. C. Executive. D. Parliament. Answer D. Parliament. Question 29. Which of the following elements is a metalloid? A. Iron. B. Oxygen. C. Sodium. D. Silicon. Answer D. Silicon. Question 30. Which country has the Republic feature of the Indian Constitution been borrowed from? A. French Constitution. B. Irish Constitution. C. British Constitution. D. Australian Constitution. Answer A. French Constitution. Question 31. Which of the following states declared a social security scheme for registered newspaper hawkers in 2021? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Odisha. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer C. Odisha. Question 32. What is the main cause of land degradation in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh? A. Intensive use of manure. B. Over-irrigation. C. Deforestation due to mining. D. Overgrazing. Answer C. Deforestation due to mining. Question 30. The Accelerated Female Literacy Program was initiated in districts where the female literacy rate was A. Below 35%. B. Below 45%. C. Below 30%. D. Below 50%. Answer A. Below 35%. Question 34. As of 2021, which is the world's largest drainage basin? A. Congo Basin. B. Amur Basin. C. Amazon Basin. D. Nile Basin. Answer C. Amazon Basin. Question 35. National Sports University is situated in A. Mizoram. B. Tripura. C. Meghalaya. D. Manipur. Answer D. Manipur. Question 36. Which of the following characteristics is not of apes? A. They have four-chambered hearts. B. They give birth to live young ones. C. These are warm-blooded animals. D. They breathe through the lungs. Answer B. They give birth to live young ones. Question 37. In which of the following states is development of rail transport less due to geographical conditions? A. Sikkim. B. Haryana. C. Bihar. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer A. Sikkim. Question 38. Which of the following books is incorrectly paired with its author? A. Hind Swaraj Mahatma Gandhi. B. Geetanjali Rabindranath Tagore. C. The Discovery of India Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Why I Am an Atheist Bhagat Singh. Answer C. The Discovery of India Subhash Chandra Bose. Question 39. Who won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913? A. Aurobindo Ghose. B. Rudyard Kipling. C. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. D. Rabindranath Tagore. Answer D. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 40. In which year was the National Institute of Kathak Dance established? A. 1964. B. 1961. C. 1954. D. 1969. Answer B. 1961. Question 41. As of 2020-21, which state had the lowest unemployment rate for persons aged 15 and above? A. Sikkim. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Chhattisgarh. Answer C. Gujarat. Question 42. When was the Indian Hockey Federation established? A. 1925. B. 1955. C. 1945. D. 1935. Answer A. 1925. Question 43. Which cell organelle produces hydrogen peroxide via oxidation? A. Centrosome. B. Vacuole. C. Nucleus. D. Peroxisomes. Answer D. Peroxisomes. Question 44. What is the cause of a redox reaction? A. Transfer of electrons between two reactants. B. Transfer of electrons between two products. C. Transfer of neutrons between reactants. D. Exchange of halogens between reactants. Answer A. Transfer of electrons between two reactants. Question 45. Sangke is a festival celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh by people of which religion? A. Islam. B. Buddhism. C. Jainism. D. Hinduism. Answer B. Buddhism. Question 46. Who will benefit from the Mukhyamantri Sukh Ashray Yojana of Himachal Pradesh? A. Students and teachers. B. Orphans, specially abled, destitute women, and senior citizens. C. Unemployed youth. D. Farmers and agricultural laborers. Answer B. Orphans, specially abled, destitute women, and senior citizens. Question 47. What is the aim of PM Ujjwala 2.0 Yojana launched in August 2021? A. Free LPG for commercial use. B. 20 million LPG connections. C. 10 million LPG connections. D. Free gas stove for BPL households. Answer C. 10 million LPG connections. Question 48. AMG Music Awards is presented annually by which state? A. Mizoram. B. Nagaland. C. Manipur. D. Chhattisgarh. Answer B. Nagaland. Question 49. If assets of a bank are greater than liabilities, it is recorded as A. Liabilities. B. Net worth. C. Reserves. D. Assets. Answer B. Net worth. Question 50. Which department of the Delhi Sultanate was reorganized by Balban? A. Diwan-i-Ishtiya. B. Diwan-i-Arz. C. Diwan-i Risalat. D. Diwan-i Mustakhraj. Answer B. Diwan-i-Arz.